Hey guys, Rishi here. Thanks for 100 subscribers. You guys are amazing. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur photo background in Snapseed. So let's get started. First of all, open the Snapseed app and import the photo. Now move over to the Tools panel and click on Lens Blur. Here we will increase the blur strength to 64. You can keep it any value according to your choice. Now pinch the circle and lower the transition value to 0. Now we are going to add some vignette around 33. You can keep any value according to your choice. Now hit done. So as you can see, the whole image is blurred. So now we are going to separate the subject from the background. So click the icon on the upper right corner and click on View Edits. Now click on Lens Blur and then the icon in the middle. Now click on the Show Mask icon and let's now erase the subject. So lower the lens blur value to 0 and erase the subject. As you can see, we've erased the blur on the background, so we are going to draw it again. So let's increase the lens blur value to 100 and draw the blur on the background again. So guys, this is the before and after of the photo. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel because we will be bringing more tutorials like this. Till then, see you in the next video.